today's video, I'm going to be going over a PTO. Now, the PTO that I'm changing is a Muncie brand, and I'm going to be changing it to, I'm not sure which brand I'm going to be changing it to yet, but it's going to be a new one that's going to be going on here. This isn't a dump truck application, so what this PTO is particularly doing, which stands for powered takeoff, is lifting up the bucket on the dump truck. So this one has a pump, then you have your PTO. And the pump, this one is air controlled, so it's, each pump is different. It operates from a lever, which is inside the cab. You have to have air in the truck to build it up. And then once it's built up, you're able to, it sends air to the pump, lifts up with the, so air to hydraulics, and then it'll lift up, and then to let it down, the air will come back out, and it'll come out of the PTO and go down with the hydraulics. So it's a pretty simple circuit. Now, the issue with this is that the PTO failed internally. So internally, it's the clutch packs and everything like that. It's just it's messed up internally. So this PTO from so shout out to Mike. He's like an expert in these, and he's taught me everything I know. When I got into this whole thing, I just was trucks, doing engine, doing trucks, doing maintenance. No, not necessarily a PTO. So like he has advised me that the Muncie PTOs are not such a great one. They tend to leak a lot. They tend to always have problems. This one here, particularly, the body was separating, bolts were vibrating out. No matter what you did, no matter how tightened you did it still would sometimes just over the course of time just start messing itself up pretty much. So I'm going to show you the PTO and show you how it works, and a little bit of how to take it down. And it's really heavy too, so I'll get into the details. So here it is. That's your PTO right here, and this is the pump. These are the air lines that go from here to the cab. They go back up there. Both here, they're really heavy, but a PTO is driven by the transmission, so it's an attachment on the side of the transmission over here. So that's how it goes up through the gears. That's how it operates pretty much, which I'll show you when I take it down. But this right here is the Muncie, and here is the Muncie as well pump. So what I'm going to be doing today is we're going to be keeping the pump, but what's changing is the PTO. As you can see, this PTO is leaking. This PTO has had problems with these bolts vibrating out and then breaking inside as well. So pretty much this is just a done deal. Gonna take it out. These bolts, it has at least about eight to 9 bolts. They're right there. They're 10 millimeters, 12 points. So there's another set of them on top there. So just on top. It's not the easiest to get. It kind of hurts your arm sometimes trying to get it out, but I'll show you how it goes, and we're gonna get this thing out. Usually have to bench press this thing down, but hey, yeah. Alrighty, so we have here the new one, which comes the whole kit and everything. We have here a WA10 series PTO, so installation manual. It's actually really simple. It's actually not that hard. It just lets you know what needs to go where, and how to put up the wiring circuit, which with this one I might not need to. Warning stickers. This one's the one I might not need to. I think the plug might be the same. These are the bolts. So, yep, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them, and then a new fitting put onto there. This right here, I believe this is like the pressure sensor or something like that. Install this on there as well. This is the new plug on and off PTO to put inside the cab. And then we have our gasket. And then we have the actual PTO itself, which is in here. This thing is pretty heavy. Just lifted it up and it's heavy. So that's the new PTO. It's gonna be pretty fun putting it in there. So I actually go ahead and take it out so I'll be ready to put the new one in here. But yeah, this is the new one. The cam's already lubed with the transmission fluid inside a little bit. So yeah, this is the new one. So all right, I already got my tools to get started. 19 millimeters to take off to separate the pump from the PTO, and I'm going to get my 10 millimeter to get that bolts off. And then this, I need this. This is the only time I ever use this 60-degree wrench, whatever, and to get on top to get those bolts off. It's very terrible sometimes. So it's actually the only time I use it with the 10 millimeter side. So we're going to get started. Not that much tools needed for this. So all right, so here's that old PTO, and there is the new one. As you can see, this is how it goes into the transmission. It's helical gears with a spur gear. So this is the new one. This is the new one's part number and everything. You have your solenoid right here. This is where the power goes to it. So when you turn the PTO on, that turns the PTO on. So your switch, which is engages your PTO, runs with the transmission. So, yep, about the same, same put in. What I'm gonna do on the other one, inside the truck, is basically the same thing here. Just scrape all that old gasket maker. I put gasket maker on this one when I put it up, really more on the edges, because sometimes that's where this tends to most leak. But you don't have to put gasket maker around the whole thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this scraper here and pretty much just scrape all this excess off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean the mating surface underneath there, and then assemble this in there. Okay, so here's the spot that it's going up into. I always just make sure that the gears are fine, no damages, nothing like that. Clean up the area, and then here's the pump, which just fell. The freaking thing broke, so thanks Harbor Freight. But other than that, yeah, these are the air lines. So now you can see it better. And then you have your plunger right here, which is where the air goes into and all that kind of stuff. Your hydraulic fluid flows through in here too as well. So we're gonna clean all this up as well before we bench press this back up there. So what I'm gonna do now is lift this PTO up there. Alright, so we got the new PTO up. Got the pump on there. Everything's all hooked up, plugged in. And I'm gonna go to the cab, turn everything on, make sure everything works. So let me start the vehicle. Alright, so I got the PTO engaged. Now I'm gonna lift this bed up. Make it go faster. And that's it. Thank you for watching and tuning in with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love that. Comment if you need to. Thank you.